1, 2, 3, I don't know who else to be. 4, 5, 6, like they say I can't be fixed. 1, 2, 3, your attention's all I need. 4, 5, 6, don't let it slip. 1, 2, 3, I don't know who else to be. 4, 5, 6, like they say I can't be fixed. 1, 2, 3, your attention's all I need. 4, 5, 6, don't let it slip. I don't have any favorite, just give me any kind. Even if it hurts a bit, I think I will be fine. 24/7, all I do is procrastinate, procrastinate. My lesson. 24/7, all I do is procrastinate, procrastinate. Perfection. Perfection. 1, 2, 3, I don't know who else to be. 4, 5, 6.
So, if you guys don't know, I am currently pregnant. I am almost 29 weeks. This is our baby boy. Look at him. He's so sweet. Making a kissy face in this one. That in my last video, I was either 14 or 16 weeks pregnant, and I filmed a little cleaning video, and I don't think I ever posted it. But anyways, so now this is me. So here's my baby bump. 28 weeks and 4 days. This is our first baby, by the way. I should probably make an update, a life update, because I do have some subscribers, and I don't know. I feel like I should keep my channel up to date with my life. So, yep.
4, 5, 6, like they say I can't be fixed. 1, 2, 3, your attention's all I need. 4, 5, 6, don't let it slip. 4, 5, 6, don't let it slip. 4, 5, 6, don't let it slip.
So what do you guys think about my snake plant? This is from, the basket is from Hearth and Hand, from Target, but I mean, look, I have some new growth, but it's also like leaning, tilted. I don't know. I think maybe the pot is too small. all for my short little video today. It's just kind of like a little tidy up our bedroom, make the bed. That is something that I do every day without fail. Small little life update about our baby. I will be doing a nursery tour of my baby boy's room because it is my favorite room in the house. It is just perfect. I love it. So if you want to see that and what it looks like, then just stay tuned on my channel, hit the subscribe button. I know I am terrible at posting videos, but I promise I will get better because I do want to document our son's life and our pups and just, you know, being a family and everything. I would like to start documenting that so we have memories to just have forever. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.